Welcome students. Today we are going to learn pivot table and pivot chart. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Hello students, myself Professor Mahesh Mali. Welcome to my educational channel Data Guru Simplified Data Science. And I am here to make your learning simple and interesting. Subscribe करना ना भूलें Data Guru Simplified Data Science. तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं.
So in Excel, it is very important to learn the data and plot it in a way it will be easy to understand. So today we are going to visualize this data, analyze this data in form of pivot table. So this is my data which tells us the rank, title, genre, director, year, runtime, rating, votes, and very important, revenue. So today I am going to calculate revenue, okay, with 2016 as a year. Okay, I am going to calculate revenue of only 2016. So just to put a filter, 2016. Okay, I'm going to calculate only for this much. Okay, so we have around 300 movies released in 2016, and I'm going to calculate the revenue by their directors. So let us start. Always do remember, when we are creating a dashboards, we will keep our all data on one tab whose name is data, and there is one tab which is first tab called as summary, or you can also call it as a dashboard. So let us start. So first of all, we will click on a cell, okay, and I will simply go to insert. Now in insert, there is an option of pivot table. So let us click on that option. Okay, so now this option might be visible to you. Here, selected table range, select table range, existing worksheet or any other worksheet, these all data is there. So let us go with the data. This is my data tab. I have selected entire data by pressing Ctrl A. Okay, I have pressed a button called as Ctrl A. Now I have clicked on to the pivot table, and as my data was already selected, you can see select table range is already there with me. Okay, now I am going to plot this table in existing worksheet or new worksheet, that we can write it here. Okay, so if existing, then you can say the location. Suppose this is my location. Okay, so I'm going for this particular worksheet. Okay, I'm not creating newer one, but I am creating same worksheet with the summary done. Okay, so here my pivot table is there in place, and you can see all the data over here. Okay, so rank, title, genre, director. Now what I want, my director should be there in a rows, so that I can see all the directors over here. So there are many directors are available. Okay, all the directors are shown over here. Now I want to have a value of revenue. See, the sum of revenue has appeared over here. Okay, this much revenue, sum of revenue is made by Amir Khan. So if you go to data and if you check director, and if I say Amir Khan, Just let me check. Okay, I have one more filter applied over already. See, Amir Khan, okay, only one. Okay, if I go for Adam Leon, only one movie. Okay, so I'll go with the, I'll do one thing, I'll just sort it, right click on it, sort largest to smallest. So these people may have created multiple movies. So let us check the data of theirs. See, he has produced many movies, and if you check the total of revenue, it is 1683. It is 1683. Are you getting my point? So this is only shown over here. Okay, but now I want to apply a filter on the year. Okay, I want to apply some filter. Let's see over here. Okay, some of year I don't want. I want year ka filter. Okay, and then I'm going to have a filtration, and I will check the filters, automatic filters, custom किया, ठीक है? And I have taken okay, so देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने filter apply किया, and if I select only 2016 and this, okay, so this is now data of 2016. If I want another 2006 ka data, this is 2006 ka data. Okay, so I have applied one more filter over here, 2007, and so on. All right, so I have applied one filter. Okay, if I want some other column also to be printed, maximum ratings or something, you can write that also. So I'll add one more column of ratings. Okay, and I will not print sum of rating. Okay, definitely the ratings, if I'm taking, so it should be the average rating, then only it will be more valuable. So what I'm doing, I'm just formatting these all columns so that it will look nice. Okay, suppose if you want to change the table name, okay, you can just write revenue in millions, so that my column name will be, okay, yes, same name is already existing, so I will just change it. This is revenue, and this is not average rating, but this is the rating, because I don't want to tell anyone it is the average rating. Okay, rating. All right, so it's very sharp data now. Now suppose I don't want to see such huge data over here. I want to see a nice chart. What I will do, I'll just click over here. I will go to the insert. Okay, and here I can go with a pivot chart. Okay, and here I will just select this pivot chart. Okay, so now directly the pivot chart for that particular pivot table is given. Here also there are multiple options we have. We can plot multiple things over here. Okay, so I'll just take a graph line chart. Okay, so that it will be nice. Okay, so see, this is my chart. Okay, so you can have multiple options here. I don't want, suppose I don't want here in this particular graph, I don't want to see the revenue, so I can remove the field. I want to see just the ratings. Okay, or I don't want the director over here, I want something else, I can do it. Okay, so this can be definitely done at any point. Okay, so suppose I don't want this filters, total is not so much valuable, I have deleted it. Okay, I have simply deleted it. Director ka filter I don't want it. Okay, so I'll just click here and remove the field. Okay, if you don't want it, okay, but that is nothing but a filtration. So for that reason we need to keep that, so that movie ratings is now not there. Okay, movie ratings we have taken, director we have taken, and year ka filter is also there with us. So only 2006, only 2010, or we can go for multiple things. Okay, now suppose these lines are very very thin, I want these lines should be very close and should be somewhat thick lines. So we can go to pivot chart options, sorry, chart types, यहाँ पे you can change the gradient data and all. ठीक है, definitely we are going to use, because we want, you should create a nicely drafted graphs. Okay, not just simply drag drop, but nice graphs are required. देखो यहाँ पे कैसे कलर्स वगैरह चेंज किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दिस ऑल. यहाँ पे मैंने क्लिक किया है साइड में, और यहाँ पे ये सारे ऑप्शंस यू कैन गो एंड यूज इट. ठीक है, साइड में बटन होता है वहां पे, यहाँ पे इससे वो प्रॉपर्टीज वी कैन चेंज. आई वांट टू रिड्यूस द गैप between two lines. Here also there are a lot of properties are there, ठीक है, which we can make utilization. ठीक है, I don't want to change it here. Buttons and all we can shift it, or we want to format it, we can format it, no issue. ठीक है, so I guess these properties are also available over here. See, and we need to change some properties again as per our adjustments. Okay, then again if we click over here, we can remove the data labels if we require. Okay, मैंने delete किया, select किया और मैंने उसको delete कर दिया. Okay, if you want a darker image or something, देखो ये फॉर्मेट है, फॉर्मेट से आप डिलीट वगैरह कर सकते हो. ये टोटल टैब भी अपने को नहीं चाहिए तो हमने निकाल दिया. ठीक है, सो दैट इट विल बी मोर एरिया विल बी गिवन फॉर द ग्राफ. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल गो. So this is what is the options given. Okay, so these all things you can utilize, you can delete if you want, and based on your requirements you can basically go for the edit option. ठीक है, यहाँ पे प्लस ऑप्शन है. इफ यू वांट टू पुट अ डेटा लेवल, देखो डेटा लेवल आ गया. डेटा टेबल अगर दिखाना है तो ठीक है, एरर बार्स, लीजेंड इफ यू वांट, मैंने निकाल दिया था वो. ट्रेड लाइन, हाउ ट्रेड इज गोइंग. ओके, चार्ट टाइप, टाइटल, एक्सेस टाइटल्स इफ यू वांट, और इफ यू कैन रिमूव. ठीक है, एक्सेस also you can remove simply, no need of access. ठीक है, grid lines also I don't want, I want to see a very plain graph. ठीक है, then there is lot of styles are also available. Okay, colors are also available which you can select and modify as per your requirements. ठीक है, so see I have plotted a very simple graph based on the data given, and there is already a filter applied. See, so based on the graph, your data, your graph is also updating automatically. Okay, so this is nothing but a pivot chart which we have created, and we have created a very nice visualization of all the movies, and just to look at the trends of it, so that we will able to get the revenue earned by each director and the movie rating earned by each director. Okay, so this is nothing but about a pivot chart, and now we will practice this particular exercise with the given data to you in the comment section. Still, if you have any problem in creating pivot data, please contact me on chat box. Thank you very much. This is the topic for today. In next time Excel lecture, we are going to learn a new topic of Excel which will make you master in Excel dashboards and Excel data science. Thank you very much. तो ऐसे ही लाइक करते रहे सारे वीडियोस को, और विजिट करें हमारा चैनल डेटा गुरु सिंप्लीफाइड डेटा साइंस, जो आपके लिए हिंदी में डेटा साइंस का कंप्लीट नॉलेज देगा. थैंक यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स.